You missed 2 classes and no homework. But your teacher preaches class like it's so.
Adam Yauch of the Beastie Boys, John Lord of Deep Purple, Dick Clark, Don Cornelius, Donna Summer, Robin Gibb, and Whitney Houston are some of the big names in music we've lost this year. Also gone are artists that are not household names, such as Suicide Silence singer Mitch Lucker, Fleetwood Mac guitarists Bob Weston and Bob Welch, Mike Sacha of Ministry, Etta James, Davy Jones of the Monkees, Ronnie Montrose, who gave Sammy Hagar his start, Donald Duck Dunn, and Levon Helm of the band. While all were great contributors to music, Adam Yauch's dedication went beyond. He spearheaded the Tibetan freedom concerts in the 90s to help prevent the extermination of Tibetan monks, people, and their culture. His group, the Beastie Boys, were inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame this year, but unfortunately Adam, or MCA as he was known, was not well enough to make it there with his mates Adam Horovitz and Mike Diamond. Chuck D of Public Enemy was asked about Adam's illness and him not making it to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame to be inducted.
It's real life, and definitely affects, the group. It's kind of like, it's bittersweet because this is the 3rd hip-hop induction. The Beastie Boys would have performed, but they couldn't because MCA is sick. So, it makes you think, right? So we take this very seriously. This was a benchmark in the music to show people that, look, man, this is not a joke. This is not a passing fad. This is not kids' music.
While we left those artists behind, the Grammy Awards usually does an okay job of remembering those who have passed, and Billboard also has a great section dedicated to them. Of course, you can check out some of their tributes right here at Artisan News.